Along with the S21 Ultra, which you can watch here, we got a SmartTag. So what we have inside the box is a quick start guide, and we have the SmartTag. What is it mainly used for is to find lost things. For example, you can put it in a wallet or attach it to a keychain, or even put it on a dog's collar. You're probably wondering, what are some features, and in general, is it even worth 30 bucks? SmartTag connects to the SmartThings app on your phone. This is where you will be able to do the feature mentioned in this video. So first thing you want to do is edit the name of the SmartTag so it will be less confused about what you will be tracking. A cool but rather obvious feature is how it can track the object. A downside is that it has to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth. So if it is disconnected from your phone, it will give you the last location it was stored. Also in the menu, you can see that you can navigate to the object and even ring it, which will be heard from the speakers from the SmartTag. A cool feature is that you can press the search bar. You can track it with the level indicator, turning stronger when it's close, but you don't always trust it since it may be off. And finally, there is a physical button on the tag which you can set so that if you press it twice, it will ring it on the full volume even if it is set on silent. You can also use the button to control other things like turn the light off and on. Also, you can send a custom message when pressing the button. The way you can add the person is by adding them in the members option on the left side of the SmartThings app. I feel there are many advantages, but there's also some disadvantages that come with it, which are mainly the fact that you have to be close to the product to use the features. That was the main downside that brought me to this opinion. But if Samsung created a way to connect to other network or have the capability to use the data, so let me know what you guys think of the SmartTag. Also, you can subscribe to this channel by clicking right here, and also watch a video by clicking right here.